Hello, friends. Today we're diving into a riveting report released by the renowned investment firm ARK Invest, which specializes in groundbreaking innovations. This hefty report outlines technological trends poised to reshape our world within this decade. While the report itself is voluminous, I'll focus on the most thrilling aspects for us: cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and decentralized finance, DeFi. If you're curious about the full report, I'll drop a link in the video description below. Let's get started. ARK Invest has always been optimistic about Bitcoin's future, but their latest forecasts are genuinely astounding and perhaps even shocking. According to ARK Invest, by 2030, Bitcoin's price could soar to $1,280,000 in a bullish scenario, $682,800 in a neutral scenario, and $258,500 in a bearish scenario. This means even in the worst-case scenario, ARK predicts nearly a 1,000% increase in Bitcoin's value from its current price within 7 years. Let's delve into the calculations that underpin these remarkable projections, particularly focusing on the most exciting scenario where Bitcoin could reach $1.48 million by 2030. For Bitcoin to hit this target, it must achieve several adoption milestones, including a 5% penetration in corporate treasuries, capturing 25% of the global remittance market, accounting for 5% of the treasury reserves of national governments in emerging markets, comprising 10% of the currency for these markets, making up 5% of the assets held by individuals with a net worth of $1 million or more, attracting 6.5% of institutional investments, commanding 50% of the market as digital gold. Driving Bitcoin's price increase could be investments from the world's leading financial companies. Despite the prolonged downturn in the cryptocurrency market, major financial institutions continue to express interest in Bitcoin. For instance, in June last year, BlackRock, the world's largest investment company, formed a partnership with Coinbase Prime to give its clients direct access to cryptocurrencies. This partnership could potentially channel trillions of dollars into this asset class over the coming years. Moreover, the world's largest custodian bank, Bank of New York Mellon, launched a platform for crypto asset custody in October last year. And in November, Fidelity Investments, one of the 4 largest asset management companies globally, officially started retail trading of Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see, the interest in cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, from major global financial companies is only growing, despite significant dips in the cryptocurrency market. Since its creation in 2009, Bitcoin has emerged as a formidable force in the financial landscape, consistently outperforming all major asset classes over the long term. Despite experiencing 5 significant downturns, where its value plummeted by more than 75%, Bitcoin has demonstrated remarkable resilience and capacity for recovery. This resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about achieving positive annual returns across various time horizons, 3, 4, and even 5 years, underscoring its potential for long-term growth. What sets Bitcoin apart is its ability to outshine traditional asset classes, such as the global stock market, the global debt market, and even gold, which have been the cornerstones of investment portfolios for decades. This performance is not merely a testament to Bitcoin's staying power. It highlights a broader shift in how assets are valued and the evolving landscape of investment opportunities. Bitcoin's journey from a novel digital currency to a recognized asset class exemplifies the dynamic nature of financial markets and the growing appetite among investors for alternatives to traditional investments that offer not only diversification, but also the potential for substantial returns. ARK Invest also highlighted the potential of decentralized finance, DeFi, as part of a global financial revolution we're witnessing today. Before I dive into the opportunities presented by DeFi, I want to remind you that we offer an excellent, detailed, and easy-to-understand course on earning through DeFi. This course, devoid of unnecessary fluff, showcases specific earning methods, introduces the best decentralized tools for earning, and provides practical recommendations for navigating the DeFi ecosystem. It's designed for anyone, regardless of their prior knowledge, allowing you to start from scratch and earn through decentralized finance. This course is available to all members of our exclusive club, and you can find more information in the video description below. Back to ARK Invest's report on DeFi's prospects. It's worth noting that the current financial world is fraught with problems and deficiencies affecting a significant portion of the global population. For instance, over 2 billion people lack access to basic banking services. The opacity of traditional financial institutions can lead to catastrophic financial crashes and massive losses due to the obligatory involvement of third parties or intermediaries. People lack full control over their money, complicating transactions and confining them within restrictive frameworks. DeFi can solve these issues by eliminating traditional intermediaries through automated smart contracts, ensuring all processes are executed without third-party intervention. DeFi is global, allowing anyone with internet access to avail financial services from anywhere in the world, while being fully transparent. All collateral and asset flows are open for inspection, which cannot be said for centralized financial structures that may conceal the true state of affairs for their benefit. Currently, DeFi is rapidly growing, evolving, and scaling. For instance, in 2022, the trading volume in DeFi reached approximately $1 to $2 trillion, a 12-fold increase from 2020. Transactions in stablecoins accounted for about $9 trillion, surpassing transactions in major card networks like MasterCard, American Express, and Discover combined. And this is just the beginning. According to ARK Invest, by 2030, the market capitalization of all crypto assets could reach $25 trillion, a 25-fold increase from the present. If this figure seems unattainable, consider that the global stock market's market capitalization is $97 trillion. The money supply M2 is $98 trillion. The global debt market is $123 trillion, and the real estate market is $280 trillion. In this context, $25 trillion, even with a 25-fold increase, doesn't seem so vast. Whether ARK Invest's bold forecasts will come to fruition remains to be seen over time. Meanwhile, I invite you to share your thoughts and opinions on these predictions in the comments below. Maybe you have a different perspective? If so, feel free to share it. I want to thank you for watching, wish you all the best, and may your investments be prosperous. Until next time, goodbye.